Hello again. So today, Thursday, seriously, it is coming down. Not like terribly, thankfully, but earlier it was. Everything is soaked. Take a look. The advantages, though, are fresh spring water. Well, not spring water, but it's evaporated. It goes through the process, so that's like the cleanest water, probably. So, anyway, yeah. Oh, okay. So I'll show you. I've got this going on right now. Rainwater collection. I'm pretty sure it's not illegal. So, yeah. Anyway, I've got a few projects going. I leave them out in the weather because the subject matter that was given to me by this kind old woman at the food pantry place, I guess, the Concerned Citizens building. It's fantastic. They're wonderful people. Yeah, so they do a lot of good charitable works for people. I don't want to get into it too much because I'm sure everybody knows they're wonderful. Okay, so today I've got a little bit of beet juice going. Oh, there's a raindrop on the camera. Crap. That is going to look awesome because I could edit it, I guess. Anyway, okay, here we go. So I got the stuff back for the paint supply shelving units that I'm hopefully going to make soon. I'm going to use a Sawzall blade and a drywall blade and an old rundown machine, and we'll see how it goes. No planers, no fancy equipment. I found some sandpaper. I think I've got 80 grit and 120 grit, and we'll see how it comes out. Join me next time for that whole video. I'm going to actually build this on video, so it's going to be cool.